Hey, I'm Varnika. Are you ready to create stunning, professional quality videos in minutes? If you're tired of complicated editing tools and long hours spent on production, then MovieReelAI is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to show you how MovieReelAI can revolutionize your video creation process. MovieReelAI Review, Complete OTO Breakdown plus 6 exclusive links. Introduction. Overview. MovieReelAI is a game-changing tool designed for content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to create high-quality videos easily. Whether you need short social media clips or full-length movies, this tool does it all. The best part, no complicated software. Just click, create, and share. Product. With MovieReelAI, you can create unlimited movies and save drafts. Make longer videos, up to 15 minutes long. Add unlimited scenes for a rich, dynamic video experience. Produce full HD videos up to 30 minutes long. Choose from 75 plus animation styles and 65 plus. OTO 4, Real Apps Academy $67 per year, access live training, video launch methods, and social media strategies to grow your brand. Bonuses. When you grab MovieReelAI today, you'll get these amazing bonuses. MovieTube PRO, enhance your video creation process with exclusive tools. 100 plus done for you Facebook ads, save time and create powerful ads instantly. $1,000 in free ad credits from Facebook, Twitter, and Google. These bonuses are only available through my link, so don't miss out. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you're as excited as I am about MovieReelAI. If you're ready to take your video creation to the next level, grab your early bird discount now by clicking the link below. Let's start creating stunning videos together.